Hello, I'm Paul Duncan, also known as Mr. Moderator, and today's topic is, do I need a moderator? To put it simply, yes, you do. If you have more than 5 people watching your channel, you need to consider getting a moderator. And it's best to do that when you're early in your channel rather than waiting till you have 20, 30, 40, or 100 people watching you. By getting a moderator early, you learn to work with moderators and understand what they can do and how the process works. And you can work on setting your guidelines for your channel. You're the one that picks the moderators. So if you're new, either choose a friend or somebody that's been watching your channel and is engaging with you and make them a moderator. You need to trust the person as you are giving them some power, and they will be able to do things that we'll discuss in future episodes. But I encourage you to do this early and get used to having moderators around. Moderators can significantly help you by monitoring the comments, dealing with spam bots, and helping you set the tone with your community. In addition, they may be able to help answer some basic questions for people. You might notice in some streams that we tell people to put a Q colon in front of their questions. That helps you, as the content creator, be able to filter those questions out. So if it's a busy stream and you're getting lots of comments and people are talking to each other, and you want to focus just on the questions, you can filter all those out by looking for just the Q colons. And on many streaming platforms, such as Ecamm Live, they make that extremely easy. Your moderators can help you deal with problem children. If somebody starts posting wacky stuff or tries to disrupt the group, your moderators can time that person out for 320 seconds on YouTube. Or if they get unruly, they can hide them from the channel. Using YouTube, for example, a person hidden will be able to see you when you're on, and they'll be able to read the comments. If they try to type any comment in, the stream will never see that comment. And we'll talk in more detail about that in an upcoming episode. I just want to stress that yes, you do need moderators, and you need to start looking for them now, whether you're a new channel or a seasoned channel. If you don't have moderators, you need moderators. Remember, you are the one that picks the moderators, and I highly recommend that you pick them rather than taking somebody who volunteers. If you bring somebody on as a moderator and they're not what you want, or they're just not working out, you can take that ability away from them. It's your channel and your reputation. You are giving them the honor of being a moderator, but you can also take that honor away. Remember, it's not a lifetime achievement award. Again, I encourage you to start looking at moderators now. Whether you're young, old, whatever, start looking now. They will be a tremendous help to you. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or anything you want me to cover in the future, please feel free to put them in the comments below, and we'll address them in one of the future episodes. I hope this has been helpful to you, and I look forward to you joining me again for the next episode. Thank you for joining, and happy moderating.